Friends, here we are talking about types of AI developers. See, we already know that AI models are like specialized brains that provide intelligence to AI applications. And here, based on how developers work with AI models, AI developers are classified into two categories. They are AI model developers and AI application developers. First, let me go with AI model developers. See, AI model developers, they design, build and train AI models. Simply, they will build new AI models. And they also improve model accuracy, reasoning and performance. So simply, AI model developers develop specialized AI models such as LLMs, image models, speech models, and embedding models. Now, let me go with AI application developers. See, AI application developers build AI powered applications using existing AI models. Simply, they will use existing AI models and they build applications with AI power. That's it. And also, they integrate AI models into applications through APIs and SDKs. So, simply, AI application developers focus on solving business problems using AI models rather than training AI models. And now you may have question in your mind, that is, what job roles can I apply for after learning AI application development? See, these are the some of the job roles for which you can apply once you are good at AI application development. And suppose if you have a question like, can we build our own AI models? Yes, absolutely, we can build our own AI models. However, building custom AI models requires massive infrastructure like vast datasets, GPU computing power, and capital and time. So, as an AI application developer, you don't need to focus on this. So, simply, our strategy is we do not build or train foundation AI models from scratch. Instead, we consume existing pre trained AI models, primarily LLMs. That's it. Okay, thank you.